Hi, this project is going to be a tonal study of a beautiful lady slipper orchid, and we're going to be using pencils and we're going to be using mid-tone paint for this, and we're going to be painting this beautiful lady slipper orchid from a photograph which we've taken all the colour out, so you've got a lovely tonal study to work from. Now this is a tutorial that we've put in the beginners section because it's something that a lot of people like to start doing before they start painting in colour, but I actually think for somebody that's been working in colour for a long time, this is a nice project to come back to. So even if you're really proficient, this is something that you might enjoy. For beginners, it's really nice just to get used to looking at tone, so looking at how dark something should go and how we maintain light. Within this tutorial, I've put some new techniques which you may not have seen before, and these are to do with graphite. They're good little cheats. See what you think and let me know.